Okay, this video is going to be rather short. This is just going to cover how to install Firefox so you have a browser to use instead of the included Epiphany in elementaryOS Juno. So all we're going to have to do here is quickly open up a terminal, and we're going to first do an apt-get update just to make sure that all of our software sources are up to date. And as soon as that finishes, then we can go ahead and install Firefox with another sudo apt-get install Firefox. And as soon as that has finished, you can open up your applications menu either by hitting your super key and spacebar and either typing in Firefox or directly clicking on it. So there's a shortcut from typing, and of course it's also there just as an icon you can click. And now you have Firefox. As soon as you have this open, you can also just right click on the icon in the dock and hit keep in dock, and it will always stay there regardless of whether or not it is open, as seen here. And then from there you can drag it around to where you want it, and if you so choose, you can also remove the Epiphany icon so that you have Firefox as your only browser. Now, if you want to change the default browser so that you aren't having like links from the system opening up in Epiphany when you're already using Firefox, you can open up the system settings and you're going to find applications right here at the top, and right where web browser is, you're just going to click on that and then select Firefox, and you're all set.